This is an old-fashioned fudge recipe. It's milk chocolate, and for this you'll need 3 cups of sugar, 2/3 cups of cocoa, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of whole milk to start. The 3 additional ingredients that you will need later are 1/2 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of walnuts. And the walnuts are completely optional. Mix the sugar, salt, cocoa, and milk together. And then turn your heat on medium and just stir that constantly until it comes to a full boil. And this is also better done in a heavy pot, one with a heavy bottom at least, and twice the size of what you think you might need, because this will boil up. And once this does start to boil, put your spoon down, walk away, do not touch it. Don't be tempted to stir it, just leave it alone. If you don't, the sugar will crystallize, and you don't want that. This needs to come to the temperature of 240 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you have a candy thermometer, that's great. If not, just dip your spoon in after you've cooked this for a few minutes, after it's boiled, and then drop that into a bowl of tap water. And if you can pick that up and it forms a soft ball, then you know it's ready. While this has been boiling, go ahead and put some cold water in your sink, and you'll set your whole pan in that after it's ready, after it has come to the soft boil stage, and then you'll just leave it sit in that water for 5 to 10 minutes. After you put the pot of fudge in the sink of water to cool, that's when you can drop in your butter and the vanilla, but do not stir it. Just put it in there and then walk away, leave it alone. While that's cooling, butter a pan that you're going to put the finished fudge in. Just the size doesn't matter, it's whatever you prefer. If you're putting nuts in yours, you can put those in after you take the pan out of the water. And now comes the fun part. You're going to stir this until you feel like your arm is going to fall off. And just keeping it real, I stirred mine for too long and it started getting too hard in the pan, so I had to spoon it into the dish instead of pouring it, so that is one thing to watch for. If you have a favorite fudge recipe, let me know and maybe I can make that. So if you do make this, I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.